Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's my birthday today, it's Friday, I've got the day off and I'm just going to show you my toys that I got for my birthday. Decided to bite the bullet and get one of these. It's metal shear and yeah, should be able to allow me to do stuff in straight lines. I bought one of these, hair chisel, probably going to annoy the neighbours but never mind. A couple of couplers, and I've always wanted one of these. It's a die grinder, a small grinder that I can just get right in and you know, tidy up anything that I can't get the angle grinder into. And then my Screwfix order came, so I've got all my belts and cutting disc as well. So yeah, let the fun begin, as they say. Roll the credit. Hello everybody, welcome back to Bark Speed. As you can see, I got my new sign up, thanks to my brother for the logo and the intro. And today I'm going to be removing all the spot welds from around the arch here, and then I'm going to try and test fit the panel just to make sure the door shuts are okay and everything is all in line. It's also my birthday, so I have a day down here. It's Friday. I don't usually have Fridays off, but today I'm having a day off and I'm down my unit. I'm having some fun. Cheers. So today's job is to remove the second piece of panel which I cut off of this panel. I've already started here drilling out the spot welds. I've got a new spot weld drill bit, so it's nice and sharp. And I've just got to pull all that off, and then eventually when I've done that, I can test fit the new panel, make my new cuts in here, and then hopefully it will fit and we won't have any problems with the door fouling. Anyway, I'll leave it up to a bit of time lapse now. Cheers. Okay, so I've removed some of the spot welds down the middle, which make it better, but I've actually slipped with the drill here and gone through the side of the mudguard in there. So I'm going to have to make good there. I think I've got a feeling I've already made it good in there already. I think I have, so I've got to try and make it a bit better. It's all right. It's not bad. Right, so I've removed, basically drilled out most of the spot welds, so I can now start to peel away the existing metal onto the old piece of metal underneath, ready for when I need to do the panel. So basically what I'm going to do now is use the pliers and peel the old metal off the top that I've just basically drilled through the spot welds to allow me to do what I need to do. Okay, so managed to tidy up, fettle and mess around with this. I need to put some welds in here where I've cut through with the angle grinder when I was taking the panel off. So there's a little bit of repairing to be done. I might actually put a thin slither up the back of this just to keep it nice and tight. But yeah, I was coming on a treat. A little bit more peeling of the old panel off of the existing panel, just to prepare it a bit more. Once it goes, it's all right. It's quite hard on the hands. Slowly, slowly, catchy monkey, as they say. Slowly, catchy monkey. Getting there. I might actually bring the welder out in a minute. Oh, yeah. Right, so basically what I've done now is I've repaired that, sanded that down, ready to take the new panel. And now I'm going to attack the back part. If you look around there, you'll see that the back part has obviously been simulated spot welds all the way down, which I've got to grind and then clear out. So that's my next job. I'm not looking forward to it, actually, to be honest. It's going to take a long time.
Right, but the one good thing about this is the welds that I did do on this panel actually held, and they held quite well, because it's a pain in the arse to get them off. So they did do their job, which I am quite happy about. What I'm not happy about is having to pull them all off, because it is hard work, definitely hard work. Gas monkey, blood, sweat and tears. Got blood all over me Mini now. Ah, never mind. Okay, as you can see, panel's on. I'm offering it up. I'm going to put a slight fold in the metal underneath, on this piece underneath. I've marked it and I'm going to put a little fold in it. It's come up slightly short here, so I'm got a little bit of moving around. But yeah, other than that, it's really it's a much nicer fitting panel. It actually goes in. I've just got to move that slightly on the wheel arch, but the actual panel itself, all the lines line up. Everything lines up. It all lines up with the inner panel in here, so it's a much better option. And as I said before, I didn't listen the first time around. It was only the second time. I could have had this fitted by now and been moving on to something else. But pattern parts, say no more. Cheers. This is a really good tool to use. It's from Machine Mart. It cost about £60. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it up inside here, and I'm going to put a groove in this metal, and then basically what that does is that allows me to get the other panel, put the other panel up inside it, so that when you weld along the line, you've actually got something to weld to behind it, and it makes it flush rather than sticking out very slightly. There. Gives me something to do. That's really sweet. Yeah, that's good. I'll come and show you now. If I show you, you can see there is a slight line in the panel there, so that when you put the other panel on top, it will be flush with this panel. What a very productive couple of hours. And yeah, that's gone in there quite nicely. I like that. Well chuffed with that. Well chuffed. Today's job, swept up on the floor, 3 belts used, and basically we've got everything we need to do to prep it now. I'm going to change this very slightly. I'm going to put a cut mark down there and get rid of this little bit in here because it sticks out a little bit. This bit's perfect. I'm going to weld this little piece of metal in there. Probably going to do that tomorrow if I'm allowed. I've got a tidy, just put a couple of tacks down there, a couple of tacks down there, just to hold the inner arch where I've cut it with the angle grinder. There's a little hole I've got to sort out there as well. I might actually cut a piece to go in there and then weld it in from the inside, so it looks okay. Apart from that, everything is done. We can get that panel on. A little bit more tidying up to do down in there. Well, I can't really do a lot more to that yet because I haven't got the roll cage. I'm still waiting on it. They said that it was in stock, yet it's not come. So it's easier to do that with the wing, obviously the rear wing off. So yeah. Anyway, all in all, we've had a very productive day on my birthday. Did I tell you it's my birthday? And I'm off home now. We've got a birthday tea and a bit of a surprise. We've got some presents to open and other bits and pieces. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Anyway, nice to see everybody. And if you know of anybody that likes minis and they're interested in doing what I do, then get them to subscribe to my channel. Cheers, bye for now.